Dominate the gridiron like never before by crafting a custom playbook in College Football 25 that perfectly matches your team's strengths. First, navigate to the Team Management section from the main menu. This is where you'll find everything you need to customize your team. Once you're in Team Management, look for and select the Playbooks option. This is your gateway to strategic mastery. You will see a list of default playbooks. Ignore these for now and select Create New Playbook. Name your playbook something memorable, like Air Raid Defense or Smashmouth Defense. Now comes the fun part. You'll be presented with a list of offensive and defensive categories like shotgun formations, run plays, 34 defense, and 43 defense. To dive into each category and browse the available plays, select plays from any team's playbook that aligns with your game plan and add them to your custom playbook. Continue adding plays from various playbooks until your custom playbook is stacked with your chosen plays. You can add a maximum amount of plays, so choose wisely. Once you're satisfied with your playbook, be sure to save it and set it as your active playbook for your team. Now hit the field and execute your personalized game plan to lead your team to victory by using your brand new College Football 25 custom playbook. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more College Football 25 tips and tricks.